In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize subreddit appearance on Reddit. If you run a community on Reddit, making it look unique and on brand is a great way to make it feel more welcoming and professional. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the basic appearance tools, explain what you're seeing on the screen, and share a few practical tips to help your subreddit stand out without becoming cluttered or hard to read. First, start by going to your community page. Make sure you're logged into the account that has moderator permissions for that subreddit, otherwise you won't see the tools you need. Once you're on the subreddit's main page, look for the section where moderator options are available. You'll usually find a button or link labeled Mod Tools. Go ahead and click on that. This is your moderation control center, where you can manage everything from rules to user reports, and of course, appearance. Inside the Mod Tools area, look for the option called Look and Feel. This is the section dedicated to visual customization. Click on Look and Feel, and it will open up a set of options related to how your subreddit looks to visitors and members. Next, choose Community Appearance. This is where you'll do most of your visual editing. Once you're in the Community Appearance section, Reddit will guide you with on-screen prompts. Take your time here. You'll typically see options for things like your banner or header image, your logo or icon, and your color scheme. As you follow the prompts, pay attention to image size recommendations and file formats. Using images that match Reddit's suggested dimensions will help them display crisply on both desktop and mobile. When you choose colors, try to stick to a small, consistent palette so text remains easy to read. High contrast between background and text is especially important for accessibility. As you make changes, look for any preview options Reddit provides. These previews help you see how your subreddit will appear to visitors before you publish your changes. If something looks off, you can adjust the colors, swap out images, or fine-tune details until you're happy. When you're finished following the on-screen prompts and everything looks good in the preview, save your changes. Then, visit your subreddit's main page in a regular browser tab and scroll through it as if you were a new user. This final check helps you confirm that your custom appearance feels clear, consistent, and inviting.